Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. Today, I'll show you how to unhide notes in Instagram step by step. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more app fixes and tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2. Next, tap on Following at the top of your profile page. This will bring up a list of all the people you're following. Step 3. Now, find and select the person whose notes you want to unhide. Once you're on their profile, tap on the 3 dots in the top right corner. Step 4. From the menu that appears, select Mute. Here you'll see different mute options, including Posts, Stories, and Notes. Step 5. Look for the Notes toggle in the mute settings. If the toggle is turned on, that means their notes are currently hidden. Step 6. Simply turn off the Notes toggle. And that's it. You have now successfully unmuted their notes, and you'll start seeing their updates again. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.